1. DeskJet. The DeskJet series is one of the oldest and most recognizable HP printer families. It first became popular in homes during the late 1980s and 1990s when inkjet printing started replacing noisy dot matrix printers. DeskJet models are designed mainly for everyday users who need simple color printing for homework, documents, recipes, tickets, and occasional photos. Most of them are compact, affordable, and easy to set up, which is why they became common in bedrooms, kitchens, and small home offices around the world. What separates DeskJet printers from many other HP lines is their focus on low-cost entry printing. They usually rely on smaller ink cartridges and lighter hardware compared to business-oriented printers. Over time, HP expanded the line with wireless connectivity, mobile printing, and scanner features. But the core idea stayed the same. DeskJet printers are meant for people who print occasionally and want something straightforward without extra complexity. 2. OfficeJet. The OfficeJet series was created for users who needed something more capable than a basic home printer. HP introduced the line as inkjet technology became fast enough to compete with smaller office laser printers. OfficeJet models are aimed at small businesses, freelancers, teachers, and remote workers who print more frequently and need extra features like automatic document feeders, fax support, and faster speeds. Compared to DeskJet models, OfficeJet printers are usually built to handle larger workloads. They often include better paper handling, higher monthly print capacities, and more efficient ink systems. Many businesses preferred OfficeJet printers because they could produce color documents at a lower running cost than laser printers. As remote work became more common, the OfficeJet line quietly became one of HP's most important categories for home offices. 3. LaserJet. The LaserJet series is one of HP's most influential product lines. It began in the 1980s and helped define office printing for decades. Unlike inkjet printers that spray liquid ink onto paper, LaserJet printers use toner powder and heat to create sharp text and durable prints. This process is faster and more efficient for large volumes, which made LaserJet printers extremely popular in schools, corporations, hospitals, and government offices. LaserJet printers are known for reliability and speed. Many offices used the same machine for years because the hardware was designed for heavy daily use. Black and white LaserJet models became especially common because they could print thousands of pages with consistent quality. Later generations introduced color laser printing, wireless networking, cloud printing, and security tools. Even today, the LaserJet name is closely associated with professional office printing. 4. Envy. The Envy series was introduced as a more stylish and modern home printer line. HP positioned it toward users who cared not only about documents, but also about photos, design, and appearance. Envy printers often feature sleeker shapes, touch screens, and quieter operation compared to traditional office-focused machines. They became popular among students, families, and creative users who wanted something that blended into modern living spaces. One of the defining features of the Envy line is its balance between home productivity and photo quality. Many models are designed to handle both school assignments and glossy photo prints without needing separate equipment. HP also pushed wireless printing heavily with the Envy family, making smartphone printing simpler during the rise of mobile devices. In many ways, Envy printers represented HP's attempt to make printers feel more consumer-friendly and less industrial. 5. Smart Tank. The Smart Tank series reflects a major shift in how printers are sold and used. HP introduced this line in response to growing demand for lower long-term printing costs, especially in homes, schools, and small businesses that print frequently. The main advantage of Smart Tank printers is efficiency. A single refill can often last for thousands of pages, which dramatically lowers the cost per print. The transparent ink tanks also let users see ink levels directly, something traditional cartridge systems never offered clearly. While the printers themselves are usually more expensive up front, they are designed for people who print in high volumes and want predictable running costs. This approach became increasingly important as printing needs expanded in education and remote work environments. 6. Neverstop Laser. The Neverstop Laser series was HP's attempt to rethink laser printing in a similar way. Traditional laser printers use toner cartridges that eventually need replacement, but Neverstop models introduced refillable toner systems instead. This was unusual because refillable systems had historically been associated mostly with inkjet printers. These printers are aimed at users who want the speed and durability of laser printing without the constant expense of toner replacements. The toner reload process is simpler and less wasteful than replacing an entire cartridge, which also appealed to environmentally conscious buyers. Although the series is smaller than LaserJet or OfficeJet, it represents HP experimenting with more economical long-term printing systems. 7. PageWide. The PageWide series came from one of HP's most ambitious printing technologies. Traditional inkjet printers move the print head back and forth across the page, but PageWide printers use a stationary print bar that covers the entire width of the paper. This allows pages to print much faster while still using inkjet technology. HP developed PageWide mainly for business environments where speed mattered. These printers were designed to challenge laser printers by offering similar performance with lower energy consumption. Many offices appreciated the combination of fast color printing and reduced power use. Although the technology did not completely replace traditional office printers, it showed how far inkjet engineering had evolved. 8. PhotoSmart. The PhotoSmart series focused heavily on photography during the years when digital cameras became mainstream. Before smartphones replaced most compact cameras, families often stored thousands of photos on memory cards and home computers. PhotoSmart printers were built to turn those digital memories into physical prints easily. These printers often included features like memory card slots, dedicated photo paper trays, and high-resolution color printing. Some models could even print directly from cameras without needing a computer. The emphasis was always on vivid color reproduction and photo quality rather than office productivity. As phone photography eventually replaced dedicated cameras, the importance of standalone photo printers declined, but the PhotoSmart line remains an important part of HP's history. 9. DesignJet. The DesignJet series is built for large format printing. These printers are commonly used by architects, engineers, graphic designers, and construction firms that need oversized documents like blueprints, posters, maps, and technical drawings. Instead of printing standard office paper only, DesignJet printers can handle very wide rolls of paper and produce highly detailed images. What makes DesignJet printers different is precision. Technical industries rely on exact measurements, sharp lines, and accurate color reproduction, so these machines are engineered for professional-grade output. Over time, DesignJet printers also became useful for advertising, photography, and exhibition printing. Their role is less about convenience and more about specialized professional production. 10. Sprocket. The Sprocket series is one of HP's smallest and most portable printer lines. These compact printers were created for smartphone users who wanted instant photo printing without using large home printers. Inspired partly by the return of instant photography culture, Sprocket devices are designed to fit into bags or even pockets. Sprocket printers use special paper technology instead of traditional ink cartridges. They connect wirelessly to phones and print small photos quickly, often with stickers or decorative options for scrapbooks and journals. The experience is less about professional quality and more about casual personal printing. In many ways, Sprocket printers show how printing evolved from office utility into something social and lifestyle-oriented. 11. Tango. The Tango series was designed around modern wireless living. HP created these printers to work almost entirely through smartphones and cloud services, rather than traditional computer-based setups. Tango printers were intentionally minimal in appearance, with soft fabric covers and simplified controls that made them look more like smart home devices than office equipment. Their main purpose was convenience. Users could print from apps, voice assistants, and cloud storage with very little setup. HP positioned Tango printers for younger households, where laptops were becoming less central than phones and tablets. Although the line was relatively short-lived, it reflected a broader industry trend toward app-based technology ecosystems and simplified home electronics. 12. AMP. The HP AMP series combined printing with entertainment features. These printers included built-in speakers and Bluetooth audio support, allowing them to function partly as music devices, as well as printers. HP introduced the line to appeal to younger users who valued multifunction gadgets and modern design. While the printing features were relatively standard for home use, The addition of audio made AMP printers stand out visually and functionally. They represented an attempt to rethink what a home printer could be in an era when traditional printing was becoming less central to daily life. Rather than focusing only on documents, AMP devices tried to become part of a connected lifestyle environment inside the home.
If you like this video and want more interesting facts, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like and comment on the video to support the channel.